Hi, I'm Derek Crandall, co-chair of the Byways Coalition, and I'm here today to encourage you to take a full journey on one of the 150 America's byways that have adventures around the next bend. We have tremendous opportunities to see fall foliage, celebrate autumn festivals, and learn as you journey through areas of historic and scenic and recreational grandeur. A new survey has just been released, done by Goodyear and the America's Byways Resource Center, and they said that most Americans are planning on taking a tour this fall. In fact, 40% of all American families said they're going to take 3 or more tours. In this case, the destination isn't key, it's the journey, and byways are a perfect way to do that. You know, to prepare for the byway, first of all, go to the websites with some great information. For example, byways.org tells about the 150 byways across the country. So we're looking at an opportunity to see America up close and personal, to see America through the roads that Americans love. And while you're doing that, make sure that your car is in good shape. Check the pressure and the tread on your tires. Make sure your hoses and belts are in good shape. And if you need some new tires, there are some tires that are especially appropriate for one of these comfortable drives. The new Assurance Comfort Tread touring tire by Goodyear provides more cushioning than the standard passenger car tire, a great way to journey on the byways. Again, this is Derek Crandall with the Byways Coalition. Come out and see these wonderful roads and the insights they provide to this great nation of ours.